Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can take off the watermark from Kling AI. In order to do so, here we are at klingai.com and we're all logged in. And the first thing we want to do is we want to come to our assets where we have all of our videos created. And then we want to select a video. I'm going to go ahead and select this one here. And you can see here up at the top, we've got our download button. And if we hover over that, then you're going to see here that we can download it without a watermark, but we do need the VIP in order to be able to do that. So you could see here by clicking that, we are going to need a subscription in order to remove the watermark. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra. And if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.